Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about mortgage, right? Mortgage is one of the important concept in a legal aspects of banking for the bankers as well as aspiring bankers or the students who are interested to join the bank. Why mortgage is important? Because it is a charge created on immovable property. What is immovable property? Immovable property is nothing but land, building, all these things are immovable property. As per Transfer of Property Act, the immovable property means it is under definition in Transfer of Property Act. What is immovable property? Anything which is fixed under with the land is called immovable property. It is not only land and building, right? If any machinery which is fixed with the land, that is also called the immovable property. Coming back to mortgage means is creating an interest or a charge on the specific immovable property which is defined under Transfer of Property Act. There are certain specific classes, I remember the class number 58 to 99 and section 102 to 104 of Transfer of Property Act, which is clearly defined what is meant by mortgage, what are all the different type of mortgage. There are 6 type of mortgage which you must remember. Okay. First we will understand the meaning of mortgage and then what are all the different type of mortgage, which are all the mortgage which you are using it in the bank. In a bank you use the mortgage for home loan, loan against property or any term loan backed up by immovable property as a collateral, working capital loan which is backed up by immovable property as a collateral, you use Transfer of Property Act. Currently we are not using Transfer of Property Act, we are using only SARFAESI Act, but SARFAESI Act has been evolved after this Narasimhan committee has formed, evolved from Transfer of Property Act. Transfer of Property Act has got certain defects or certain drawbacks or certain limitation. So this SARFAESI has comes into the picture from the Transfer of Property Act. So actually this mortgage is defined under Transfer of Property Act, right? So what is meant by mortgage? Mortgage is nothing but is a transfer of interest on the specific immovable property for the purpose of securing payment of money advanced. What is meant by payment of money advanced? Payment of money advanced is nothing but a banker or a lender or a financial institution given a loan to someone with a collateral of home or a building as a backup collateral, and then the borrower or the customer who has not repaid the money. So what to do? You need to take the possession of the collateral, right, for the money advanced. So how do we recover the money? So you need to go and tell the customer, boss, you have not repaid, we are taking back the collateral, right? Normally the borrower what he will do, he will go to the court and file a case against lender or financier or a bank. It will take a lot of time, right? That's the reason the SARFAESI comes in. So that we will see it in the next video. But today, this video we are going to see about mortgage, type of mortgage. Mortgage is nothing but, which I clearly explained to you, is a transfer of interest in a specific immovable property for the purpose of securing the payment of money, right? There are 2 parties involved. One is mortgager, another one is mortgagee. Mortgager means a customer. Mortgagee means bank. I will repeat. There are 2 parties involved in the mortgage. One is mortgager, another one is mortgagee. Mortgagee means bank. Mortgager means customer. Right? The transferor is called mortgager. Transferee is called mortgage. Right? So the agreement between mortgager and mortgagee is called mortgage deed. The agreement between mortgager and mortgagee is called mortgage deed, right? So as I told you, there are 6 type of mortgage. One is simple mortgage. Simple mortgage means the mortgagee means who? Bank has no power to sell without court intervention. So mortgage deed is there, the party has not paid, you cannot sell the property without court intervention. That is called simple mortgage, right? And no rights to get any payment without court intervention. Simple mortgage. Simple mortgage means there is a deed, there is agreement. If the party doesn't make the payment, we will take the possession. But for taking the possession, I have to go to the court and take the order, come back and take the possession and sell the property. That is called simple mortgage. The second type of mortgage is called mortgage by conditional sale. Here the sale is ostensible. Ostensible means it's not a real, right? If the money is not paid on the due date or agreed date, the sale become absolute. That means mortgagee, the bank, have the agreement with the mortgager saying that you as mortgager as a customer, I will sell the property or I sold the property, and whatever the sale which is not real, it is ostensible. If I don't make the payment on due date or agreed date, the sale become absolute. That is called mortgage by conditional sale, which is defined under Transfer of Property Act section 58 of C. Right. So here what is the condition? I have sold the property, but the sale which is done is not a real one, it is ostensible. When it is become absolute or real? When the customer doesn't make the payment. That is called mortgage by conditional sale. The next one is usufructionary mortgage. It's called usufructionary mortgage. Mortgagee, the banker, have the agreement with the mortgager, and possession of the property as given to mortgagee, that is bank. The bank or lender or financial institution has got all the rights to use the property and enjoy the rent or the profit derived out of the property. What is the first two mortgage? Simple mortgage and mortgage by conditional sales. Both the mortgage, the possession is not given to the mortgagee or the lender or the bank. But usufructionary mortgage, the possession is given to the mortgagee. Whatever the profit, rent, dividend, all these things enjoyed by the mortgage. The moment it is been paid, it will be returned back to mortgager. The fourth mortgage is English mortgage. Here absolute transfer of the property in favor of the mortgagee. Right? The property has been transferred, the sale is absolute, nothing like that, complete sale. If the payment is made, then it will be returned back to mortgager or the borrower. I will repeat, English mortgage means mortgager or customer will sell the property, possession, everything, absolute, no question asked. You take the property and give me money. The moment I repay the money, again there will be another sale or reconveyed back to mortgager. That is called English mortgage. The fifth type is mortgage by deposit of title deed or equitable mortgage, which is being used by the bank. Here the property title or a document of title of immovable property will be collected by the bank, keep it with the bank. If the party doesn't make the payment, then they will take the action for taking the possession. That is called mortgage by deposit of title deeds. There is a sixth mortgage, that is called anomalous mortgage. Any mortgage type which is not fit into any of these five mortgage, which is called anomalous mortgage. So one should understand what is meant by mortgage. Mortgage is defined under Transfer of Property Act. Mortgage means transfer of specific interest on the particular property of the loan is given to the mortgagee. Mortgagee means bank, and if the customer or mortgager doesn't make the payment, the mortgagee or the bank have the right to take the possession of the property. There are various type of mortgage, 6 type of mortgage which we have discussed: simple mortgage, conditional by sales, usufructionary mortgage, English mortgage, equitable mortgage, and anomalous mortgage. In a bank, for home loan and loan against property, we are using equitable mortgage or deposit of title deed. Okay. But the problem is, in the Transfer of Property Act, taking the possession, it will take lot of time. The party can go to the court. So there is a evolution of Transfer of Property Act. There is a separate act enacted in 2002, that is called SARFAESI Act. For taking the possession under SARFAESI Act, the court intervention is not required, but Transfer of Property Act, court intervention is required. Currently, all bank enforcing only SARFAESI Act for all mortgage type of charges. Okay, I hope this video will be useful to you to understand the concept of mortgage. Please subscribe our channel. We keep releasing this kind of conceptual videos for the bankers and non-bankers and for promotional exam. This will be very useful. Please subscribe and press the bell button for notifications. Please support us. Thank you so much.